this video, I'll show you how to enable payments in the client portal. Payments can be received via e-check, credit card, and LawPay AffiniPay. TimeSolve has teamed up with LawPay AffiniPay and CPA Charge to provide a seamless credit card and ACH payment process. With the client portal, clients can independently view invoices, payment histories, trust balances, and details of work in progress, allowing you to focus on other areas of your business. To receive these online payments from your customers via LawPay, you need to set up one or more payment profiles in TimeSolve. These will be set up under Payments, Settings, and the Bank Accounts tab. You can create a new bank account from here, and once it's created, you will want to go ahead and click on Create Payment Profile in order to connect to LawPay. There's this button here that will lead you to the LawPay website, where you can see the details on how to complete the LawPay connection. Now, in the client portal view, as a client, you'd go into the amount and click Pay against the invoice amount. You can see the invoice listed here at the bottom, and let's, for example, click on Pay, and then you have the option on the amount you want to pay, and pay via credit card or via ACH e-check. So if, for example, I click on Pay via credit card, then a form appears providing you with credit card details form.